Hey guys, Brandon here with Exotic Cars 19, and I figured it's been a while since I made a video with the GT350. Kind of in my head, felt like I kind of made all the videos I really could, but along with just update videos and all that kind of mundane stuff, I thought I'd make another point of view driving video, but a little different from what I did before. The last car I had, the BRZ, through the last months of owning it, I did some kind of interesting angles. I put a GoPro over by the footwell so you could kind of see the rev matches and just all of my footwork there on one corner of the screen, and on the back, don't know if you could see it, back there's another GoPro. We'll kind of show like a cockpit view so we could run those two at the same time. So I hadn't even thought about that until some people recommended it, and I'm getting around to do it finally today. Real quickly though, I want to say a big thanks to Movement Watches. They sent me out their Movement Gold Coast to talk about in this video, and I'm very grateful for that. If you haven't heard, Movement Watches makes really nice watches, really good looking stylish watches for not a whole lot of money. This one here is their Gold Coast. Came with a gold band, and you can also get a silicone band and quick change them, so just kind of for different events. I like the silicone band, a little more comfortable and a little bit more casual, I guess. But anyway, the Gold Coast is their sports series watch. This one here is $160, and that is, as of now, their most expensive it comes. So not a bad price. Submergible to 100 meters, has the little rotating bezel so you could time certain things and all that. Very nice watch. Anyway, if you're interested, I'll put the link to their main page for men's and women's watches of all kinds of price range as well in the description, as well as a link to this direct watch in the link, a link in the description as well. If you're interested in any watches, you could use the code ExoticCars15 to save $15 on your entire order. Again, ExoticCars15 for the $15, not ExoticCars19. But anyway, put all that information in the description. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get driving. well, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully there's enough polls to suffice for now. Obviously, I would like to make some more videos in the future. And that's one thing, like I said, it's been a while since I made a GT350 video, so if you guys have any recommendations or suggestions, let me know. But as for now, I have some videos worked out in a pipeline that I'm working on making. The last car review video I made was on the Baja, and I'm not really made for, or the channel wasn't really made for like around car reviews, but I have some in the works. I want to review interesting cars, not just like the mundane grocery getter. So I think I have some in the works. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Might do some more of those. But either way, keeping this channel alive, trying to keep it, you know, have some new uploads every now and then. And I know a lot of you guys are subscribed, you know, surrounding the GT350. So like I said, any suggestions, let me know, and I'll try to make as many videos with this thing as I can. But anyway, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.